Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So I thought I would do a video on Nifty and Bank Nifty because this week has been a little bearish, and I thought I would give my thoughts on where the market is going, what you can expect. So currently, when I'm recording this video, it's the market has ended. This is Thursday, and hopefully I'm uploading this video today. Uh, what is happening here? Let's look at the daily time frame. The Nifty has been bearish for the last 5 days, throughout the whole week. Okay, from Monday till Thursday, the market is very bearish, and tomorrow is very important day, because even if Nifty stays the same place where it is staying right now, which is to on 21,957, it is looking bad. It's not good, guys. Because if you look at it, Nifty has been on a sideways for quite some time, and then there is a drastic fall with a very strong close. What does it mean? It means it's going down further. So tomorrow we need a very good pullback, okay, like a very good one. There has to be a wick in the bottom in weekly time frame. Otherwise, if it is closing like this, or closing here close to where it is closed today, we have a bad news. Okay, Nifty can fall, and so people generally ask, whenever the market falls, the general question to me, the lot of messages that I get on Instagram is that should I exit because the market is falling? You shouldn't exit because the Nifty is falling. You should exit it because your stop loss has hit in that specific trade. If you have no clue about it, it means you have just entered without thinking about stop loss, hoping that it would go up. So it is always crucial to have a strict stop loss before entering any trade. So even if the market goes down, you know that you have to hold to your trade, because your stop loss has not hit. So yeah, and then let me have a look at the Bank Nifty. Let me check how this is looking. Bank Nifty. Okay, it's not as bad as Nifty. I mean, yeah, it's bad only. If you look at the weekly, it's bad. uh, but again, it has not fallen down from a pattern, or candlestick wise it looks bad in weekly time frame. We have to check how this all plays out tomorrow. And if tomorrow also is a very bearish day, if it goes down below the current levels, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's a very bad news. Okay, so you have to be prepared to exit your all your respective trades in the stocks. Wait for it. That's going to be a lot of consolidation, maybe, or in case if it goes up, then it's fine. Nifty will, okay, let's assume that the Nifty is going up. Let's go to Nifty. Let's assume that the Nifty is going up. Okay, something like this. So does that mean you can go fresh longs? I mean, there will be, so after a huge fall there will always be a consolidation, because yeah, it sometimes it may go like this, like a V shape, but most likely it will consolidate for some more time and then go right back up. So it depends when you enter and how the consolidation is happening. Okay, so what else, guys? Okay, let me have a look at the stocks that we analyzed last video. Honestly, I did not have a look this week. Okay, it's fine. As I told you, like, the consolidation is going on. It can continue to consolidate for a long time, because monthly time frame, um, yeah. So as I said, you can just stick to the same analysis, which I've explained already in the previous video. Right now, this is how it looks. Okay, you just have to be careful. And what else? If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also click that bell icon. Probably I'll come up with another video very soon, and see you soon again. Thank you so much.